Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio 2022 in Windows 11. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser. You are going to launch your browser, your Chrome browser or your Firefox. It doesn't matter. So once you are here, you will go to search and search for Microsoft. Visual Studio. Then enter. Then it will land you on this page. So this is their official website. So you are going to click on this first link. So it will land you on this page. So once you are here, you now need to click on downloads at the top there. Now you are going to scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see community. You are going to see professional and enterprise. And for this community, it is free. As you can see, it is free download. But for this other two, this one you will pay for them. So we are going to use this community, which is just fine. So just click on free download. Then the download will automatically begin at the top there. As you can see, it has already finished. So in order to run this program, you are just going to click on this setup, double click on it, then minimize this. Then you will see this window for installation. So just click on run. Then yes. Then this screen will pop up as you can see. Then here you see installing Visual Studio Community 2022 version 17.14.8. So you are going to look for .NET desktop development. So this is the one that you are going to install. Just click on it. Then on your right hand side, these are the ones that we are going to install. So as you can see on your left side, the location where this Visual Studio is going to be installed, it is going to be installed in DXT program files Microsoft, which is just okay. But if you like to change the location, you can click on change and change the location of installation of this program. So you will see that the total space required is 7.76 GB. Then download all, then install. So click on that. Then once you've selected that, just click on install besides it. Then it will begin, guys. This will take a little bit of time. So just be patient with it. Do not cancel it. Just allow it to finish. So as you can see, it is 2.2 GB. So just be patient and wait for it to finish. Guys, now as you can see, the installation has finished. Now what you need to do is to click on launch. Then Visual Studio will launch. Then sign in to Visual Studio. So you can sign in with your Microsoft account if you have your Microsoft account, or if you have a GitHub account, you can sign. You can use either of these two accounts, and if you do not have, you can create an account. So for this video, I'm going to skip and add account later. Then development settings. So here you can just leave general. I think that is okay. Then for choose your color theme, I'm going to choose dark. As a programmer, you need to use dark for the eyes. Then after that, you are just going to click on Start Visual Studio. Then here you can just click Continue without code. Maybe you can just create a console application. So I'm just going to click on File, then New, then Project. Once you are here, now you are going to look for console app.NET framework, so that we may be able to create a console app project using .NET framework. So we just go to, we look for console app .NET framework. We are going to use C#. So I can see it is here. Just click on it, then click on next. Then the name for our project, I can just write Vic console app 1. Then for the location, you can leave as it is, then solution name as it is, then just click on create. So I'm going to create a simple C# program. Then in order to print out this program, you are just going to write console, then press on tab, then tab again. So once you've written that, you are just going to go to file, then save all. Then once you've done that, you are just going to build solution. Then once build has succeeded and build has completed, now we are going to just run the program. So click on run. Then as you can see now, this is the output. As you can see at the top here, this is my first program. That's how you can install Visual Studio 22 on Windows 11. Now I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.